Welcome, today I am with Beats free wireless headphones and I will show you how you can connect them with your Android smartphone. So at first we have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone. You can make it by going through the settings or opening the notification panel. I'm going to make it through the settings. So open Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth on your device, and then you have to grab your Beats, then click and hold on this button. You will find it on the right side. So click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator starts blinking on white color. Click and hold, and right now we can release. As you can see right now our Beats are in the pairing mode, so we'll find them in this place. We have to tap on them once, click pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. The next option, we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Beats, and we have to download the Beats application. As you can see right now indicators are not blinking, so it means that we are connected. When you get this white light in this indicator, click to open the application, and right now click to get started. We can don't send the data, and we can accept the location, and we have to select our device. As you can see, we don't even have to, because we will be already automatically connected and linked with our device. So here we got the name of our Beats, we can rename them, and here we got other stuff like under the hood, the product, serial number, firmware. We can also register our product, and we got also the battery level. And when you tap here, you can go through the settings of that application. And basically that's all. So right now when you finally pair your earbuds, your headphones, you can listen to the music, and basically that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.